It's a perfect situation.
Hello, this is Liz. Welcome to my little urban homestead. Since I made the cheesecake the other day, I thought I'd show you how I make the soft Kefir cheese. Now this is a jar that my Kefir goes in, where it produces Kefir. As I showed you the other week, when it splashed my camera, and you can see in there all the Kefir grains. But when it's had a day in there, a couple of days if it's in the refrigerator, dump it out as we would normally do for getting Kefir milk. Make sure we put the grains and some of this milk back in. And then what I do is I put it in another jar because all of this I want to make into cheese. Let's just work this down. I'll get one of my tattle lids, no seal to it, put that on, put a ring on it, and then I'll set it aside on the shelves in the kitchen for about a day, and then I'll show you what it looks like then. I left this a little bit longer because it wasn't seem to working, but can you see how it's now starting to separate? That's what we want it to do some more. So I've got here the usual plastic bowl and the sieve, and this is a muslin square. You could use cheesecloth muslin, probably net as well. And I'm going to dump all that in there. And then tie it together. Again, opposite corners together. And I've got this large plastic jug, and what I do is find a hole where I can put a knife through, and then I just suspend it so the plastic jug catches all the whey that comes out of the bottom of it. And that's what was in the jar. Now you can use the whey in your baking, but I'm just going to give it to Mason, let him have a little drink, also give it the chickens, and I'll leave this like this dripping away in the fridge for a day. And this is what it looks like. All the whey has dropped through to the bottom, and the cheese, soft cheese, is left in the Muslim square. I normally leave it a day to do this. I left it a bit longer because it got knocked off, so it was sitting in the way. So I didn't want, it wouldn't have been as firm. So now we just open it up. This way, as I've said before, it'll go to the chickens, or it'll go in any bacon I do. But there is the soft cheese, and you can flavour it however you want. Salt, garlic flakes, garlic powder, ginger, whatever. That is your lump of soft cheese. Very easy to make, and you always go down supply it. If you make it yourself out of Kefir, you've always got it on supply. I was using some of it last night when I was making the lasagna, and because I hadn't got any mozzarella cheese in, so I used that soft cheese. And I'll probably use some of it tonight when I make a cauliflower cheese. So, there it is. Thank you. Bye.
It's a perfect